Hi, welcome back to Hostbox C channel and back to the tutorial for C programming language. This is a tutorial we are going to see the continuation of decision control statements. In the previous session I explained only about the switch statement, what is switch statement, why we need, and what are the syntax and how to run a simple program like simple calculator and so on. This tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing GATE competitive exam, university, and also some basic level and want to get a job in IT industry and so on. Let's go for session today. Today we are going to see loops in C language. It's a very fundamental and important concept where we have to discuss about the for loop, while loop, and also nested for loop, at last do while loop. Very important. So here now what is loop? Generally in program language, the loop means what? These are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. So till achieve some target, we can repeatedly use the set of statement here. And types of loop we have three is there. One is called while loop, another is called for loop, another is the do while loop. If you are fresher, most of the question technical C question asked from this area, for loop as well as the difference between the while loop and do while. Remember. And what is while loop? It's an loop where we can say another point of view entry called control loop, where it's complemented in three steps. One is called variable initialization, another called condition, another called variable increment or decrement operator. So here remember in the while loop, before seeing the syntax, it have three conditions. First part called variable initialization, where example you can say int x equal to 0 or I is equal to 0 and so on. And condition should be like while x less than equal to 10 or x greater than equal to 0, 10 or anything, or 5 anything. And variable increment or decrement in the sense x plus plus or x minus plus. This topic already discussed in the types of operator, where you know arithmetic operators like pre increment and post increment. Now syntax. What is the syntax for while loop? It has syntax like variable initialization, then while condition, then statement, then variable decrement or decrement. These are the structures. So statement while condition, then statements will be there followed by variable decrement or decrement. Then example. Now the question is how to print first 10 natural numbers. So if you want to print natural numbers, you can write a simple C program where you can start with void main. Then I am initializing int x, then x equal to 1, start from natural number 1, then I am giving the condition while x less than equal to 10, then printf percentage d slash t comma x, where it then x plus plus. So what automatically what happen, first time whenever the loop executed till reach the condition of x, the value of 10, it go and put in the value. So first it will increment by 1, then increment again 2, increment by 3, and increment 3 and so on. Whenever the x value reach the 10, it will stop the execution. Let's go for demonstrate the program. So here so simple and easy. Even for loop also you can do the same. For better understanding, I am giving very simple program. You can practice more and more. So if you use either int main or turbo C, whatever there, you can use save the program as .c, any name .c. For example, you can give a.c and so on. And compilation you use alt plus F9, then control plus F9. Let's execute the program. So successfully executed. So after incrementing this is the post increment operator. So it printing the 1 2 3 4 and 10. Whenever reach the condition 10, it will stop the execution. Let's back to PPT now. So syntax is important, very important. Now for loop. What is the use of for loop? It's a one where it used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. So whenever the condition is satisfied, it's okay, otherwise not. And then the general format or syntax is what? For initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, then increment or decrement. Don't forget we are using the semicolon. If you colon or some other comma or something, it is error. And some statement block. Then in for loop what, we have two semicolons, one after initialization, another one called the second after the condition. See, remember as you see in the diagram, then format. Then in this loop we can have more than one initialization or increment or decrement are separated using the comma operator. Remember, so if you have increment or decrement, you can use the comma operator also. Let's go for usage and how it will work. Now the question is how the for loop work. It have a few formats here. First it evaluates the initialization code, okay. Then it check for the condition expression. Then if it true, it execute the for loop body, and last he evaluate the increment or decrement condition and again follow the from the step number 2. Then the example you can say when the condition expression becomes false, it exit the loop. Remember, condition false is exit, otherwise it continue. Let's take the example program to print first 10 natural number using the C programming. So I'm writing the program here int x, then I'm using the for loop where I'm going to initialize x equal to 1, x less than equal to 10, x plus plus. So instead of while we are using the for loop here, just differences. Then print a percentage d slash t and comma x. So what will happen? X will start from 1, then it will increment to 2, and again the for loop run again it will 3. Whenever the x value reach the 10, it will stop the execution. So condition are true, so that is the case, it will print the answer. Let's go for demonstration. So simple and easy. So you can practice lot of program yourself if you want to develop the programming knowledge in C language. And moreover, your choice whether you want, whether condition given or not in the program. If you want to solve the C program, technology or any part, your wish. If you want to use either for loop, you can use, or while loop also if you want, you can use. Both will get the same answer. Logic is important, syntax and how to use, and you should be thorough in the usage of operators. So successfully execute the above program, we are getting answer of first 10 natural numbers. Let's back here. Let's back to PPT here. Next, very important, nested for loop. What is nested loop? We can use more than one for loop in the inside the another loop. It is possible means, yeah, possible in the C program. So for installation, same condition increment. That means it is called outer loop, another called the inner loop. For example, if you want to make pyramid structure or anything, you want to print the patterns, that time you need support of either you can say rows and columns. So for example, I want to print 1 into 3. So first loop for print the 1 row or 3 rows, and 3 into 4 means 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 rows and 4 columns, like that you can generate easily. Let's go for small example program where you can get clarity. The program to print half parameter numbers. So if you want to print the half parameter numbers, how can you start? We can write int I comma j, because we are using two loops, for loops here. So for I is equal to 1, I less than 5, I plus plus, then printf slash n. Then so we are going to generate 5 rows. And second loop I am writing for j is equal to 1, j greater than 0. Yes, that means what? If j value greater than 0, j minus minus, decrement the value, at last print the j value. So we go for explanation before execute the program. Here what you are doing, first the I variable inside 1, and then program control passes the I less than equal to n. Then the control check whether the condition I less than is true or not. Then if the condition true, what happen? Then the program control passes in a loop. Remember, in the outer loop condition is true, then only to pass the value to the condition second part, otherwise not. Then in the loop what happen? It executed until the condition is true, till reach the generate the 5 rows. It will print the program and stop the execution. After execution of the inner loop, then happen the control moves back to the update of the outer loop and I plus plus. So first time the value will be 1, second time the value will be 2, third time the value 3. Whenever the value reach 5, it will stop the execution. So we can simply understand. Let's go for demonstration now. Demonstrate program. So simple and easy. So small error, just one, two, three. Execute. There is a small error regarding this one. Let add one more bases here. We will conclude this. 1, 2, 3. Yes, let add one more base here. So you should be covering the flower brackets here. All the statement in the C language should be end with a semicolon. Yeah, we executed successfully. So it's printing. So unfortunately it's not printing properly. It have printed the off from it values. So back again check. Can I copy paste and check it value? So you can use like that 2 for loop in the same program, more than 2 for loop also. If you want to print the multiplication table or anything yourself, you can practice and check it. Let's check it back again. So smart online. If you want, you can use in turbos or anything, but I am present using the online compiler for the way. What are the program you remember the syntax and structure? If you remember the structure and the usage, you can easily understand better way. Maybe go for another power format. Let's here. So let's check it here. Now next is do while loop. What is this of do while loop? In some of the situation, what you can means we have to execute some condition statement, then we can check the condition. So remember, what are the statement in the block? It will execute one or two statement. After we go and check the condition. What is the difference? While loop means in while loop, if the condition is true, it will execute. Otherwise not. But here two whatever one. Suppose I'm saying print first 10 numbers. It will print the do statement. It's print numbers. Then we'll check whether 10 number is smaller than 5 or like that. Let's go back here. Online compiler. We'll check it out. Try to execute here run the program. Few seconds, sorry for inconvenience. This is a half remedy. If you want you can use a J++. Syntax what do, if a condition true, so what are the statement execute, then the condition. Then what is the syntax? It's a simple one. And what is the now how the question is write a C program and to print how to print the first 10 multiples of 5. So we can write the program start with int a comma I, then I am mentioning a is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. Do then I am giving to print of a multiplies I. That means what? The I value will multiply to 1, that is 1 into 5 to generate the first one. Then I am giving the condition while I less than equal to 10, stop the process. Okay, so while less than equal to 10, so it will generate the values and print up to the 50, that is 5 10 10 and the multiplies, then multiplies again and execute the loop. So it will print 5 10 15 at last up to the 10, because whenever the I value start from 1 reaches the 10, it will stop the process. Let's check the execution here. Unfortunately we are getting error, but whenever try to execute the program, definitely get answer, don't worry. Copy this code and try to execute. Remember the difference. So while what happened, what are the test condition true, it will go and print, but do while what happened, put the state, then it condition not like that. Check in some other execute. I have to remove this error. Check some other mode. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, this will declare in at end of this 1 2 3. I had to give one more semi compound statement. This is called a compound statement in the C programming. Yes, we try now, definitely get some answer. Yeah, successfully executed. So it's not pending completely. Sorry for inconvenience. You go for another program. and complete the session. So do while is the one of the important area. Definitely you have a lot of programs like print the first 10 numbers, 20 numbers. Let's check the expression here. 1 2. Yes. How many braces? 1 2 1 2. You should not give more compound statement here. Yeah, successfully executed. So it generate the, that is 5 in multiplies 1. So 5 multiplies condition up to 10. So if you give 5, what happen? Condition is 5. What happen? It will print the first 5 rows only. 5 10 15 20 25 like that. Yeah, successfully executed. So like that we can do the demonstrate and C programming. And I hope that jumping out of loops, what are jump the break statement and continue, these are the things we are using whenever using the programming. Sometime break, what is the break statement is encounter inside a loop always, and it immediately executed and the program continues with the statement immediately following the loop. So break statements what, whenever in the while statement you are executing statement 1 2, and if break means what, it temporarily stop the program and go back to the jumps out of. So in the program, suppose in the program line you are in the let's assume the 40 line program. If in the 20th line if you give the break, what happen, it stop the execution and come back to the last one. And continue is the one where it causes the control to go directly to the test condition and then continue the loop process. And in continue, what happen, the cursor leave the current cycle of the loop and start the next cycle. So it's a diagram given here. So remember continue. So same like in this 40 line program, I given the line number 20 means what, I'm already in the 10th line, I'm giving 20 means what, it go to the 20 line and continue again, continue the loop how many times you want. So like that you can understand break and continue statement. These are about the control looping statement in the C programming. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or suggestions, please communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.